Need quick tips and tricks about making money online? They're here. Every time you read comments on a blog, news video and other online media, there are bound to be a few comments about how to make money online. However, the safest and most lucrative ways to make money online are not advertised so frequently. Keep watching to learn about legitimate ways to make money online. Organize your days to include specific work hours. Having an online income will be successful if you can do it on a regular basis. There isn't any way to get rich quick here. Hard work is part of the deal. Stick to your schedule daily. Over the long term, just an hour each day will really add up. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. To make real money online, consider launching a freelance writing career. There are numerous reputable sites that offer decent pay for video and content writing services. By checking into these options and watching feedback of each company, it really is possible to earn an income without ever leaving your home. Whenever you hear about an interesting opportunity to earn income online, be sure to do your homework before jumping in. Given the plethora of scams and disreputable enterprises out there, it is not that hard to be taken for serious money. By watching forums and online reviews, you will be able to sift out the legitimate opportunities from the bad ones. As stated above, you have probably seen many offers on ways to make money online. Most of these opportunities are actually scams. But there are tried and trusted ways to make money online, as well. Follow the tips listed above to find the work you need on the internet. Student loan.